Hi, and welcome to my demo of the free AI-powered discount and coupon calculator. Instantly calculate your sale price, protect margins, and optimize promotions with Perfect Promo AI. Perfect Promo AI, where you can try it now. I'm going to show you how to use this real quick. And what separates this from all the other tools that are on the market is this is powered by AI, and this gets a lot better outputs. So you're going to get the best possible answer from an AI-powered calculator that's out on the marketplace today, and it's free of charge. Come on in, check it out. Link's going to be directly below if you like what you see in this demo. What I'm going to show you, obviously, is how to fill this out. A couple tricks, too. It's going to tell you how to use the Perfect Promo AI here. It tells you how to do it, each step. And if you want to start over, in this little box here, there's a Start Over button, and you can click that, and you can start over and fill it out again. There's also frequently asked questions and answers. So everything's covered in this on this page and in this tutorial video, so you can use it effectively. First box, you're going to put in your original price. What's your regular selling price? And it's got some helpful text here that lets you know what to put in each box. We got a lot of this filled out already. We're going to put in $120 for this demo. Currency, you're going to go here and you're going to do US dollar, euro, British pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Indian rupee, Chinese yuan, or if there's an other, pick that. So we're going to do that in United States dollar. You're going to put your cost per unit right here. That's self-explanatory. You put that in this box here. Minimum acceptable margin. Set your floor price, and it tells you right here equals cost divided by, and it tells you the math here. So the minimum acceptable margin in percentage, what you'll go here. You put that in there. I got 20%. Competitor average price. And we got 100 here. We're going to put in 200 here. This helps benchmark your pricing tiers. Discount type. We're going to go here. Pick how you'd like to structure any discount. You got percent off, tiered coupon, and then you got BOGO, buy two, get one free, an example, flash sale. We're going to do percentage off. Desired discount, we're going to do 20% off. Enter the minimum quantity for the selected discount. So if you got buy 5, get 20% off, buy 10, get 20% off, whatever it may be, you're going to enter that in this box here. And as you can see, the answer is already populating. So when you're done filling out all these boxes, the AI is already going to be working. It's working its magic and showing you your answer based on any of the inputs you got here. We're going to go through that in a second here. One thing I want to add is if you mess up in any of these boxes and you want to change something, you can change it, and it's going to work in real time. It'll update with your new settings in real time, so you don't got to refresh the page and start over. If you're doing like you mess up on a box or two, this submit button, you'll get that thinking action going on here, and when it's done, it goes back to the regular submit. It means it's done, and you're gonna have your new answers. You don't got to click refresh is what I'm getting at. Here's our price. If you want to start over, let me tell you this one thing real quick. These are pretty important, and then we're gonna go back to the answer and show you how good of an answer you got by using this tool. This has got directions how to use it again on the page. Frequently asked questions, all that good stuff. Click start over right here. It'll refresh the whole page. You can put new inputs in. So you're going to click that button right here. And here's our answer from what we put into all these little boxes here. It took like a minute to do, real quick. Number 1, promo snapshot. Awesome. Your new sale price is $96, so customers get a deal and you keep healthy margins. Number 2, margin safety check. Floor price is $45, and it gives you the math. 1 plus 20 cents equals $54. Competitive benchmark average is $200. Stay above your safe floor of $54 to maintain profitability while being competitive. Number 3, discount breakdown. Final price $120 equals, and in the discount here, $96. You save $24 per unit. Quantity trigger. Buy 5 for a total of $480. That's $96 per unit, making it a great bundle deal. Psychology tip. Cross out the original price of $120 next to your sale price and add limited time only to boost FOMO, fear of missing out. Number 6, test and optimize. Consider testing a 24-hour flash sale versus a 3-day weekend sale. Track conversion rates and average order value to see what works best. Next steps, and it gives you some motivation here at the end. Go unleash this deal, your AI promo buddy. So really good output here. You're going to get more in-depth answers than a static calculator. This has got more inputs than I've seen on the market for free than most static calculators. Plus, it's going to give you an educated, in-depth AI answer. And like I said, you can switch everything here, and it's going to update in real time. Or you can hit that refresh button, the start over button right here, and it's going to start you from scratch, and you can redo it and get different outputs. So with that being said, I hope you like this little demo. Real easy to use this. Come check it out. Link's going to be directly below in the video description box, as well as a link to my 20-plus secret AI tools top marketers don't want you to have. I got a bunch. If you're a marketer of any kind, you're going to want to check this out. That link will be directly below as well. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little demo on how to use this tool, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.